In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Show Alert on Waze. To get started, open Waze and make sure you're on the home page. This is your starting point for accessing the editing tools and finding the road segment where you want alerts to appear. Once the home page loads, take a look over to the right-hand side of the screen. That's where you'll find the tools you need for this process. On the right side, click the pencil icon. This opens the editing interface and lets you work more directly with locations and road details inside Waze. After that, move to the search bar. In the search field, type the address you want to work with, then press enter on your keyboard. This helps Waze jump directly to the area you want to edit, which makes the process much faster and more accurate. Once the map takes you to that location, hover over the road segments in the area. Segments are the individual pieces of roadway that Waze uses for map and traffic data. When you find the exact segment where you want alerts to show, click on it to select it. It's important to choose the correct segment because the settings you adjust will apply to the one you have highlighted. After selecting the segment, look to the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This panel displays options and details for the selected map element. In that panel, click on Settings. This will open the preferences and configuration options related to the editor view. From there, scroll down until you find the alert section. Take your time here since the setting can be easy to miss if you move too quickly. When you see the option labeled Show Alerts, toggle it on. Once enabled, alerts will be visible for that segment in the editor, helping you review or manage alert-related information more easily. If you don't immediately see the change, give the page a moment to refresh visually or make sure the correct segment is still selected. Small interface details like that can make a difference when you're working in map tools. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Show Alert on Waze. This is a simple setting, but it can be very useful when you need better visibility while working in the editor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.